Here are the 5 best soldering iron for stained glass. So let's begin. Number 1. Most popular. Soldering Iron Kit Electronics. The American Beauty 3178-300, like our choice for the mid-range soldering iron, is a total beast in efficiency and longevity. As previously said, this iron is overkill outside of a formal environment with heavy usage and anticipated wear and tear. Heavy-duty irons from American Beauty are suitable for heavy soldering works and production line conditions. For maximum strength and performance, protective casings cut from a single block of steel and reinforced with multiple heat treatments and precision braced. It's not the cheapest device on the market, but with a raw power rating of 300 watts. Number 2. Weller SP40NK-US 40 watt soldering iron. Weller soldering irons are well known in the stained glass world. They're popular because they're dependable, last for years, and can handle a wide range of applications, making them the ideal soldering iron for stained glass work. The nichrome wound part has enough heat power for most projects and can maintain enough heat to keep solder running over long runs. As compared to ceramic, wire wound elements take longer to heat up, but the Weller 100 soldering iron seems to have enough wattage to heat up quickly. You really cannot match the Weller W100 PG. Number 3. TasiHome 110V 60W soldering iron. You are not alone if you are unfamiliar with TasiHome and its soldering irons. This manufacturer is more well known among factory workers and professional tradesmen, but it is also famous among larger stained glass stores where I first learned of them. They still have outstanding customer support and react quickly to repairs. Users also praise an Paragon ironclad lead-free soldering tip for its durability and consistency. Parts can be quickly switched out due to the modular architecture. Number 4. American Beauty 3158-200 Heavy-Duty Soldering Iron. The American Beauty, which manufactures professional quality soldering irons and has 2 entries on our list of the best soldering irons for stained glass. This is our next pick. The American Beauty 200-watt iron is here to help. These irons are heavy-duty machines. They're tough and strong, and they'll take on just about anything you throw at them. It makes up for its lack of bell and whistles in raw wattage and quality construction as compared to the Hakko with adjustable temperature. Overall, once you're able to upgrade from your entry-level soldering iron, we think this one is well worth your consideration. Number 5. Hakko FX60102 Adjustable Soldering Iron. The Hakko FX601's our top pick is this series. This is the industry standards for entry-level soldering irons for stained glass for a good reason. It's light and comfortable to use. Beginner and intermediate stained glass artists will benefit tremendously from the iron, which will last a long time. The Hakko FX601 is a soldering iron with a ceramic part that is ideal for 2 tasks.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.